chance of rain 80%. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio WX. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 78, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Carroll, Cass, Fulton, Jasper, Lake, Marshall, Miami, Newton, Porter, Pulaski, Stark, and White, and the following counties in Illinois, Iroquois, and Kankakee. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA All Hazards.